Thank you to our Amazon sponsor. Hey, welcome to another video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So you're gonna start off your hair blow dried, as you can see. Today we're using some Amazon sponsored hair from Youngther Spring Twist 24-inch 6 bundle pack.
Bling on the track.
And here are some clips of me holding up what you'll need for this hairstyle. Everything will be in the description box below, so make sure you guys check that out. So we're gonna start off by parting the front of your hair. You're gonna start from basically a little bit after your ear. It really depends on where you want your crisscross boxes to end. I usually do it like literally right behind my lobe, but whatever your preference is. Here's me parting everything with the rat tool comb. I definitely recommend you using shine jam or any kind of jam to just put it directly on the part from your left ear to your right ear to make sure that you can just make the part a little bit smoother. So you're gonna see me do that in the end here.
Bling on the track.
Alright, so when you're done with the first part, make sure that you clip it out of your way so you can start the twist in the back. As you can see, I am parting the first row with my hands. I have a very large head and it was really difficult for me to see directly in the back, so I know that these parts won't be as crisp and good as if you were going to a hairstylist in the salon, because they could clearly see the back of your head. But practice makes perfect, and you really just got to take your time with the parting process. It took me basically an hour and a half to really like part everything, and using shine jam really helped me out to really just get all those annoying hairs and actually get a real straight line on the top so I can start building each row in each box. So I'm gonna let you guys just watch me part.
Bling on the track.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I find you, I give you all you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming.
So I started off with 4 boxes in the back. I know they weren't all symmetrical, but you're gonna take the spring hair. By the way, this hair was actually really soft. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it is a little bit difficult to separate the hair, but just put some oil in your hands and it should really just make everything easier for you. So you see me taking the crochet tool and placing the crochet and the hair together, putting it into my hair, and then we're going to take some of the Shine Jam. I ran out of Shine Jam, so I started using Beeswax at the end. It really didn't make a difference to me, but I kind of really just want to say definitely stay on using Shine Jam. Whatever your preference is, I know you guys probably have your favorite type of jam that you like to use, but for holds, especially like for hairstyles like twists or braids, Shine Jam kind of just holds everything together. And my hair is the type to just stick out, especially when I have passion twists for some reason, so I like to put a little bit of EdgeBooster on my twist just to make sure that my real hair doesn't stick out. So yeah, make sure that you guys check out my passion twist tutorial. I'm gonna link it below, but if not, just check out my page and check out the natural hair playlist for me. So at the end of your twist, this is really new to me. Usually I would put rubber bands at the end, but because this is like spring twist kind of locked hair, all you had to do to make sure that the ends were secured was basically just rub it in between both of your hands. And I definitely put some more beeswax in my hands to make sure that, you know, it stays together. Once you're done with all of the passion twists, you should have at least 5 to 7 rows in your head and kind of medium to small boxes of each passion twist, just so it looks like it's like long flowing hair behind you. I already went ahead and did half of the boxes for my crisscrosses in the front. I only did 2 boxes for each row because I'm not gonna lie, the rubber bands kind of give my head a little bit of tension, so I didn't want a lot of boxes. So here's me doing the second part of the crisscross boxes. So you're gonna make sure you get some Shine Jam or some gel to perfect these parts. It was a little bit easier to get really straight parts because I could actually see in the front. And man, this technique with using gel to get these crisp lines while you part is literally a lifesaver. Like, it looks neat, it looks poised, it just makes everything better, if you get what I mean. So you're going to be doing a lot of combing, you're going to be doing a lot of using your rat tool comb to perfect the line, and you're basically just parting each one. So I'm going to let you guys go ahead and watch this.
everything I'm invited to, and I can't do that. I'll be in a section door, little baby, working on self-control, little baby, no, finna get anti-social on you. Damn, you know I hate the club, but I came cause I knew you'd show up. Maybe if I drank enough, I'll make my way over to you. Damn, you know I hate the club, but I came cause I knew you'd show up. Maybe if I drank enough, I'll make my way over to you. I hate the club. Your homegirls told me you would be here. Besides, you ain't the one to see here. It's a Saturday, shopping in LA, yeah, that's your shit. On the second floor with your pants down low, hanging off your hips. I walked out the section door, little baby, lost on my self-control, little baby, you wanna get anti-social, baby, we could head home, baby. Damn, you know I hate the club, but I came cause I knew you'd show up. Maybe if I drank enough, I'll make my way over to you. Damn, you know I hate the club, but I came cause I knew you'd show up. Maybe if I drank enough, I'll make my way over to you. I hate the club.
Okay, so here's the last twist. I kind of didn't really say anything about the crisscrosses because I thought you guys watching it would be pretty much self-explanatory, but I'm just gonna say it anyways. You're literally just gonna be twisting and crossing it over to the opposite side and using a rubber band to secure it, and then you're gonna crochet in the passion twist. So in the end, it should look like this. Yes, this is actually cute. I was kind of scared this wasn't gonna come out cute. I'm really not even gonna lie. I was like, no, I don't know. Oh my gosh, but you know, I love it. For the days after, especially on TikTok, I've been actually putting it in a ponytail because the ends did start to shrivel up and become a little bit nappy 2 days after doing this hairstyle. So the only option was to really kind of put it in a ponytail or a bun. But yeah, so this hairstyle I definitely recommend doing if you just want something chill to have your hair just not be touched with any heat or anything. And yeah, this is the look. Make sure you guys check me out on TikTok, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you think. Bye.